All right, in this video, we're going to learn how to get custom sounds onto TikTok. It's kind of a multi-step process, so bear with me, but also stay to the end just in case your sound doesn't work and you want to learn why. Well, let's go. Now, there is multiple ways of doing this process with Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you how to get a sound file from a video game sound clip. Whatever, I'm going to just pick a random sound from here that I think I would like. Let's see. Okay, Final Fantasy 6. I love 6, right? And here we go. It's recording, and this whole track is recording right now. Now that we got a little bit of this music, we're going to take this out. I'm going to stop recording. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to drag and drop this audio or this video file here into Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to pick a spot, I'm going to cut it, 1, 2, right? Now I'm going to delete the rest, get that all out of the way. Now I'm going to ripple delete this so it's at the beginning. I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to export it as a video file. Because for TikTok, it needs to be a video file for it to get the sound. It's just how it works. You can't just upload random sounds, you have to upload it with a video. Well, with that being done, we're going to go to TikTok now. Okay, now what's next is you're going to want to remember that username in particular so you can actually search it. So we're going to move to my phone and we're going to go look for that. Let's go. All right, the next step, we're going to load up TikTok. After we have TikTok loaded, we're going to go to search and we're going to search the user I just made. After you do that, and there it is. There's my user. There's the video I just created, right? Hear that? Now, what you do is, you press the bottom right-hand corner, you could add it to favorites, and use this sound. Done. Now you got your own custom sounds. Pretty cool, right? Simple, too. And that's it. And that is how you upload custom sounds to TikTok. If you have a particular problem with a particular sound, this is why, I guarantee it. Now, with that being said, keep on TikToking and peace out.